Alright, so this is how to use the quadratic formula. This is simple to use, you just have to remember this. That's the hardest bit. You basically use this formula when you can't factorize quadratic. So what you do is you have your equation and you just plug it in, and in this case A would be 3, B would be 7, and C would be -1, and that just corresponds with the x squared, the x, and the number. So it wouldn't matter if these were all in a different order, it would still be A equals 3, B equals 7, C equals -1. Pay close attention to these signs, because they're the things that could mess you up. So we have minus b, so -7, plus or minus the square root of 7 squared minus, sometimes I'll just put this in brackets just to make it a bit easier, 4 times 3 times -1 over 2a. So you want 2 of these 3's, 2 times 3. I would normally simplify this before I put it in the calculator, because there's so many signs and things, it'd be easy to mess up. And if you're super confident with your calculator, then crack on, but sometimes making it a bit simpler is better. I'd also just go 7 squared, 49, so I just put 49 in there. 4 times 3 times -1 is -12. So minus -12 is +12. +12 over 6. This plus minus, all that means is you've got to do the calculation twice. Once where you add it and once where you subtract it. So we're going to put this in the calculator and we're going to start off by adding it. So we have -7 plus the square root of 49 plus 12 over 6. That equals 0.135. And then we're going to go back and we're going to put in a minus. And the other answer is -2.468. So these are your two answers. And it is really that simple. You've just got to memorize this, which is the tricky bit, and pay close attention to the signs. So if B was -7, start off with +7. And yeah, that's all there is to it. I hope that helped.